Hey guys, welcome to another video of EQ Productions 21 Pokemon Platinum Let's Play. In the last video we caught a new teammate Kibbles, and I trained it to level 8 and Tree Crush is level 10. And we're going to get started. We're not going to do any more training for a while. It's always that last freaking patch of grass. Okay, first actual trainer battle, not rival, but first trainer battle in the whole game. Is this youngster. Come on, little man. Let's see what you got. Come on, Kibbles against another Kibbles. Quick attack now. Yeah, my Kibbles is way better than your little pipsqueak. Yeah, see, your quick attack is really slow. See that? See that, everybody? That's a really bad quick attack. Alright. Good job, Kibbles. That little Kibbles. I heard we beat Trainer Tristan. Next trainer battle is this little guy. Let's battle this guy. Oh, girl. Look at that. Worst Pokemon in the game. One of the worst. I feel bad for her. The only thing good about it is defense. It's good HM slave. I might just catch one for Rock Smash. I'll run into one. That's a little bit of my HM slave. Kibbles in wing attack. Well, I gotta be right back. I gotta do my action. Alright, fast and take 2. Alright. There we go, that's better. Alright, if I find a Bidoof, I will catch it. Next trainer. Let's have a Pokemon battle. Alright. Oh wow, actually I think it's rare in this game. Wing attack. It's the new move that we just learned. Just destroyed that thing. Feel bad for Logan. Trainer Logan, he sucks. Alright, what is, oh, it's Pokeball. Alright, it's a potion. Now I have 2 potions. Or a couple of them now. I have like 3. Alright, see you, little man. Switch something just in case we battle a rival. I'm gonna switch Kibbles and Tree Crush. Alright, there's Dawn. Now we're supposed to find the 3 clowns in Jubilee Life. And I think we're gonna pass up too. If he's still there at his spot. I was just looking around my platinum, it looks a little weird. Like, look at the streets right here. Maybe there's something wrong with that. It's so weird. Alright, was just making, oh yeah, clone. So I think this is the guy that helps you throughout the whole game. I show him formula. My code is Locker. Okay. Yep. Casino criminals, okay. Trainers, yes, perhaps to make alright, voice recorder. So now I get to record matches, I guess it doesn't really do any good. So you can look back at your old battles, that's the only thing it does. Oh, already 5.5 minutes. Dang. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go check out training. Is this the trainer school? Yep. Alright, Q, where are you? Oh, I know we can battle. Let's battle these two. Just for some EXP.